Hello, Duan here, and I appreciate you joining me for this product review. Do you want to create stunning web stories for popular platforms like Facebook and Instagram? Do you want to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to generate engaging content in minutes? If you answered yes, then you need Vortex AI Studio, the ultimate software for web story creation. But before we dive into the details, I want to share an exciting opportunity with you. If you're eager to work with your own personal internet marketing coach and unlock the potential for an online income of up to $10,000 per month, check out the first link in the description. Now, let's refocus on the review. The product is available through the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you decide to make the purchase, I've got something special for you. 3 exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. These bonuses are brand new and only accessible through my link. Bonus number 1. Step-by-step process on how to make money on Google with AI content. Make up to $5,000 a month with this info. Unlock the money. Making potential of AI with this step. By-step guide to generating consistent passive income with automated content. Learn how to create AI-powered assets, scale your online presence, and leverage search engine optimization to earn up to $5,000 per month on Google. No technical skills or experience required. Our proven framework works for anyone willing to follow the process. Stop trading time for money and start leveraging AI content to establish true financial freedom. Bonus number 2. My list of 9 real websites where rich people literally give away free money. This extensive list reveals virtually unknown resources that give away real money with no strings attached. Simply follow the steps outlined to apply and claim your share of thousands in free cash assistance, debt relief, and no payback funding. With this guide, you can uncover little-known programs ready to help you get free money today. Bonus number 3. Get access to 100s of DFY stock videos. Elevate your video marketing with instant access to hundreds of high-quality, done for you stock videos. This massive stock video collection covers popular niches and categories to suit any project. Just download and use. No attribution required. Save huge amounts of expensive stock footage by leveraging these diverse fork and H clips for social media, websites, ads, and more. While these bonuses could easily carry a hefty price tag, I'm offering them to you absolutely free. My goal is to help you get the most out of the product and boost your chances of success. Consider it my way of elevating your experience in this journey. These bonuses will be delivered to you automatically within Warrior Plus or JV Zoo when you grab the product. Now, let's kick off the review and explore what makes this product stand out. Now, let's get started. Vortex AI Studio is a powerful software that lets you create stunning web stories for popular platforms like Facebook and Instagram. With Vortex AI Studio, you can use artificial intelligence to generate captivating content in minutes without any coding or design skills. You can also edit and customize your web stories with the built-in tools and share them with your audience in a few clicks. Vortex AI Studio is the ultimate solution for anyone who wants to grow their online presence, reach more customers, and increase their profits. Web stories are proven to boost engagement, traffic, and conversions, as they capture the attention of your viewers with immersive visuals and interactive features. Vortex AI Studio makes it easy and fun to create web stories that showcase your brand, products, or services and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Getting started with Vortex AI Studio is simple and fast. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. You can access Vortex AI Studio from any browser and sign up for a free trial or a premium plan. Once you log in, you can choose from hundreds of templates or start from scratch. You can then use the AI assistant to generate content based on your keywords or write your own text. You can also add images, videos, audio, animations, and more to make your web stories more engaging. When you are done, you can preview, publish, and share your web stories with the world. Don't miss this opportunity to get Vortex AI Studio at a special launch price. This offer is only valid for a limited time, so hurry up and get your copy today. Visit the link below to get instant access to Vortex AI Studio and start creating amazing web stories with AI.